Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Surface Pro 8 only functions when it is plugged in, you're not alone. This issue typically indicates a failing battery that can no longer hold a charge. If left unchecked, it can lead to further complications, eventually rendering your device unusable without a constant power source. To tackle this repair, you'll need a few tools and materials: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and a replacement battery compatible with the Surface Pro 8. Let's begin with the repair process. First, make sure the device is turned off completely. Using the suction cup, gently lift the screen from the body to create a small gap. Insert the spudger into this gap and carefully work your way around the edges to release the adhesive. Be cautious not to damage any internal components during this process. Once you have successfully opened the device, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component connected with a few cables. Gently disconnect these cables, taking care not to tug too hard, as this could damage the connectors. You'll find that the battery is secured with screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. When extracting the battery, use the spudger to pry it out gently. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is out, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Secure it with screws and reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. Before sealing up the device, double-check that everything is in its correct place and nothing has been left disconnected. Once you're satisfied, gently press the screen back into place, ensuring it adheres properly. Now, turn your device on to verify that the new battery works correctly. If it powers up and holds a charge, you're all set. To prevent this issue from recurring, be sure to charge your device regularly and avoid letting the battery drain completely too often. This practice will help extend the life of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.